prop hakani ke step kwa ya kaban peni pi bakani kadai kata ke resort ke bangsa hapo Ubud hapo Bali Indonesia kani ka resort kadai ke bangi book hakapisa India ke Somdor tang kumba ar hajar sauspa tingka timir tenrei habangi page nadu ka decoration ya ke kamera nang ta ka jingbu jingsat hadu ka toilet bathroom baro kilong kiba kalong well maintained but kilong khoi bha ka saudong sokon baro lei habangi pe chabar adu ka swimming pool hadu ki sentiu ki skut ki lenti ki sinkin kini ki brio ki dale khoi hadu kata but kada penhun shisha yaki nongwan sa hakani ka resort but ka ba pynshoh bi chusho yaki nongwan sa hakani ka resort kadai ka ba hapo Ubud lane hapo Bali kijudan ya kani ka floating breakfast lane ka breakfast ka baki serve hapo swimming pool ladangi page ya kani ka service ka baki ai kini kinong tray haki resort anong ip kadai ka ban pensa jingken mau ya ki brio ki bawan bansa haki homestay bat kumjo haki resort ki ba pher ki badan hapo Bali. Good morning everyone. I want to introduce to you, this is a kind of a breakfast that they used to serve in Bali. So especially for the beautiful couples or newly married couples, or maybe they have a relationship 10 to 15 years, they can come and enjoy the floating breakfast in the swimming pool. So this kind of service you will only experience especially in Bali. And now we are in Ubud, and this is our resort that we stay, and serve us with a breakfast in this beautiful resort and beautiful swimming pool. Hagajing experience jonga ngalap bagi hotels, ki resort, ki homestay, bat ki jakasa siapo Bali Indonesia, ki kamtat bonsha banya ki hotels, ki resort, ki homestay hapo Shillong Meghalaya bat kum joro ha India. De kum tang ngasngo ban kentu ba kamdai tangba ki rooms kin biang lani kabam kan biang ande ka ba kongsan kadai ya ka saudong saukun bat kumju ru ki service ka bangi ai ki brio kaban pin yap biej ban ngan ong yevi ada kum kani ka service lani kum kani ka floating breakfast ada ngila ban serve ki guest hapo Shillong Meghalaya ngan ong yevi kan dei ka way na ki ba attract dam bat akan kering ya ki nongwan jngoh kai ibawan syaga jala ka jongi.